Let's come back. We continue with the module number 4 of the certificate course, Research and Reporting Skills. Today we discuss about the processing of data. Data processing involves converting raw data into meaningful information through various steps such as collection, entry, cleaning, analysis, and interpretation. It encompasses organizing, manipulating, transforming data to extract insights and support decision making. It involves the data collection using either the questionnaire or the interview schedule. Next is the data entry. If you are doing it in the computer, using the tools or softwares, etc., you need to enter the data, categorize and enter the data. Data cleaning, identify and correct errors or inconsistencies. If there is errors, that is to be corrected before doing the final analysis. Data coding, assign code to represent the data for analysis. You can't give a full sentence to the system to categorize the data. You need to assign some code. For example, age group 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. So you might give age 20, age 30, age 40, like that. So from that code you understand that 40 to 50 is that category. Next, for age 50, age to 60 is that category. So the coding is very important, and that has to be written and kept for your future reference. Data transformation, standardize or scales variables for consistency. For comparison purpose, we need to do that. Data analysis, using the statistical tool to interpret and derive insights. There are a number of softwares for doing the research analysis. SPSS is one, Grittle is another one, R is another one. So that you don't need to study in detail now, but it is good to learn at least one software. Even Excel also can be used. Next is the visualization. Present findings visually for better understanding. When you present the findings, it should be catchy. You need to capture the attention of the people. So everything in narrative form will not create interest in the reader. So you have to use diagrams, chart, tables, etc. Interpretation, analyze results in relation to research objectives. The objectives of the research are being set in the beginning. We said to assess or evaluate the socio-economic situation of the fisherfolk in Alleppey. That is the objective. In that case, you need to tell in the findings what is the socio-economic situation of Alleppey. Quality assurance, ensure accuracy and integrity of data processing. Anyhow, you can't complete a research study. It should be made with maximum accuracy and also integrity of data. You can't lie after making a serious study. Ethical consideration. We already discussed about the ethical consideration. When you collect the data, you have to maintain the values and principles of ethics, and when you report and you present, when you use it also, you need to maintain the ethical considerations. Coding and classification. Coding involves assigning numerical or categorical codes to represent data for analysis. Codes can be numeric or alphanumeric based on the nature of the data. Previously I said if it is age category, age 20 means 20 to 30 will be the category. Coding facilitates statistical analysis and comparison across the variable. Classification. Classification is a process of categorizing data or variables into groups based on shared characteristics or criteria. In a class, you can classify the students based on number of factors, number of bases, with the month of birth, or people who are using specs, people who likes business mathematics, or people who come from particular geographical area. Different bases can be. So that will help us to compare the data quickly. Classification plays a crucial role in research by organizing and analyzing the data to generate meaningful insights and support informed decision making. It helps a researcher make a sense of complex data sets and extract valuable information for advancing knowledge and understanding in their respective field. Tabulation is a systematic arrangement of data into tables, metrics to facilitate analysis and interpretation. So narrative or descriptive data, it's very difficult to retain in our mind and also make an evaluation quickly or comparison quickly. But when we place it in a table, it is easy to read and interpret. So frequency distribution tabulates the frequency and count observation within each category of the variable. This we will deal in detail. Cross-tabulation compares the relationship with two or more variables by displaying frequencies,